Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Bella Electric can opener and knife sharpener, multifunctional jar and bottle opener with removable cutting lever and cord storage, stainless steel blade, Sage. About this item. Infinite possibilities, our automatic can opener is a versatile powerhouse and a must-have kitchen gadget. With a 60-watt motor and durable stainless steel cutting blade, it effortlessly tackles cans of all sizes, from tiny tuna cans to large tomato jars. One-touch wonder, Bella's can openers feature a magical auto-turn feature for an easy operation. With a single touch, watch those lids fly as our opener effortlessly glides into action. No more wrestling matches with stubborn cans, prepare to be amazed. Convenient storage. The electric knife no-show cord storage keeps your kitchen clutter-free and your countertop neat and organized, allowing you to tuck it away when not in use. Enjoy our great home accessories without sacrificing precious. Thanks for watching and subscribe.